Okay, so this is our simulation for the lab view. At the left side is our front panel, which is have the component, right? PID gains, temperature set point, Gauss thermometer, waveform chart, and the LED. At the right side, we have our block diagram. And the block diagram, as we can see right here, have a mathematical method to for the waveform chart. We have subtract, multiply, and add to the feedback. So we want to test the simulation. We click right here. Okay, as you can see, the temperature set point is falling down because before this we already testing the simulation. So I will increase the set point. As you can see, the gauge also following the temperature set point. So we can see the 15 temperature set point, but the gauge still on 10 because the PID gain already set 0.2 and 0.05 and 0. So it gradually increased to the maybe like 15. So I will increase the simulation to the 85 because want to trigger the emergency shutdown. Okay, 65 and then until 85 because I want to trigger the emergency shutdown. Okay, the gauge is slowly rising to the 85. It will trigger the emergency shutdown. Wait for it, yeah. Is getting slow because the PID gain we want to get the smooth waveform chart. Then 79, 80, 81, 82. As we can see, the graph is smoothly gradually increase until it reach the 85. Then the emergency shutdown is trigger. So it near to the 85, then the simulation is stopped. So the emergency shutdown button is successfully demonstrate on our simulation. Just that. Thank you.